Ghana for our portrait, ya say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimu, a potwakasemu, yakase a lawyer for Entiminiano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, Emrenimu could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi a drone swa, a yomoko kra, a banini passitnemu, any ejumemun sembia, Omudimuakotanipa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchinie ebidi de BH. Ghana for our portrait, ya say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimu, a potwakasemu, yakase a lawyer for Entiminiano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimu could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi a drone swa, a yomoko kra, a banini passitnemu, any ejumemun sembia, Omudimuakotanipa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchinie ebidi de BH. Ghana for our portrait, ya say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimu, a potwakasemu, yakase a lawyer for Entiminiano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimu could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi a drone swa, a yomoko kra, a banini passitnemu, any ejumemun sembia, Omudimuakotanipa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahin fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Good evening. Welcome to the program. This is Top Online Radio UK. I believe you are well. Today is Wednesday, and as usual, when it is 7 p.m. UK time, then you know it's time for Emransem Nkratasem. Wisemart Solicitors Adaroma Ibusua Nkratasem ene Emransem nia Eko nia Eba. And I welcome you to the program. This is Legal Matters. This is the time you provide a free legal consultation from Wisemart Solicitors. And oba any inkrata sem biara unhia one question hono ubetime bisa na lawyer Francis owaha ubi ano amount. This is free legal hour. Ehia pa abruchire Quantium Ninkrata Sem de Maunim se Sebi, acquired say Bafine and Efabno. Enti Ehiapa and Mr. Oba no share link no na obisuti maybe because update be briaba. Home Office the update be briaba and I said Yama Wisemart for a better. Once again, welcome to the program. Lawyer Francis Akwaba. About legal matters on Top Online Radio UK. Pacho wapum ene Wisemart for more to say.
Yo, ya onya nyamia daruma ya huye. Enchia kesiye free Wisemart Solicitors. Asyo ye ebre wone watie for ne ashefo our Top Online Radio.
Yo, that's it. Yes, you want pa a T4 in your age also. Lawyer, yeah, I say update be. They say the update no bar neighbor. Enti say near Abba opposite Ghana for a Timmy Shannon soon. A fan grata sem, ransom, home office for the bar, say the home. Is it the home office, secretary of the home, whatever. Or Mudino Krayana sometimes it confuses me. Is it the home department or what? Inland department. To the friends the home office.
Secretary of State for Home Department.
Yo, yate. And lawyer say update biaba. Opese onegana for wo UK ha yecha famaye medasi.
Yo, Mr. Medasi, DJ KB. Biomo so mechia yeti for the after for any of the Top Online radio program and Danny Dana every Wednesday is here from 7 to 8 regarding Emransema Koso UK Hanumo. Mr. Mo UK Brana ye Shemu. And yes, Adam Ra, a free other countries. We specifically touching on UK laws. Until they made the best starting, and there enumerate the Home Secretary, Passport Office, the more release in here, or say update on passport application fees. The government will introduce new passport fees for all applications on 11th of April 2024. From 11th of April 2024, no, you share passport fees are UK passport ubetria. Or see the proposals which are subject to parliamentary approval will include the following. A standard online application made from within the UK will rise to £88.50 for adult and £57.50 for children. The incremental no. And also a standard postal application will increase to £100 for adults and £69 for children. In the online application for passport and a postal application for passport. Or say a standard online application when applying from overseas will rise to £101 for adults and £65 for children. And also a standard paper application when applying from overseas will increase to £112.50 for adults and £77 for children, which is coming effect on 11th of April 2024. DJ KB, my mentor still 11th of April, they will be on the Saba.
Hey, lawyer, wait there, I'll put me on the spot. I know, sir.
Don't worry.
I know, sir, you can't say, skilled worker for whom some so we them come and I'm
I know, but I know you're 11.
You, lawyer. And
yeah,
boy.
Changes are regarding although I a skilled worker, but Mama, I am a bit confused. But let's wait and see what is coming out, because I think that almost this week, previous for the past, we've been talking about changes regarding Home Office. Once this year, Oma put a lot of changes Omo cutting down net migration, to 300,000 per year.
Yeah.
In the course of the previous weeks, we've been talking about that. In Mame and Kyle, 11th of April, the Urbanese increment, the minimum income requirement for partners applying under Appendix FM, say a bit increasing from 18,600 to 29,000.
Right.
Now, DJ KB, that's it. Anyway, also make sure changes are from January, February, March, April. Say January, you can student visa amendment. 31st of January, permitted activities. 1st of February, electronic travel authorization. About between 6th of February, immigration health surcharge. And also incremented by 13th, so fines for illegal working. And 11th March, care workers, any senior care workers will not be permitted to bring dependents. So, you debate you can say exemption be if they are regulated by the Care Quality Commission. But they can still do that. And 14th of March, a new statement of changes. And about last week, and then become wasn't. Why?
Okay.
And 4th of April 2024, the minimum salary threshold for a skilled worker visa will rise from 26,200 to 38,700. Into your employer, I will say skilled worker now, from 4th of April. 38,700 per annum.
Wow.
Yeah. And a biomonsono 11th of April 2024, the minimum income requirement for partners applying under Appendix FM will be increased from 18,600 to 29,000. And no, I'm a percent but OSHA passport application now. OSHA passport application now, and there Mabubobo there are a couple of changes, an increment, ever. I can bet you to say no, although things are getting a bit, according to your Chancellor Jeremy Hunt, or say cut it down a whole lot of things, I think still no nyoma more de kakra. Yeah,
Yeah,
nyoma
look,
more
say they
de
have cut it
inti.
one like robbing Peter to pay Paul. They have cut it from one side, and they are collecting it from the other side, isn't it? You cut tax, NI, national insurance, and you increase immigration fees on the other side. So,
Yes, yeah, yeah. Inti, I think that that's what they are doing. Sena Walker, no. Inti, it tells you that things are not the way we should expect. But all the same, no. I think say and that hint to say election the bus of October. Inti, that's another thing we are looking towards that. And a also know there is going to be a train strike by train drivers. Almost almost underground near surface near the Adinina. But the main dates are 8th of April and 4th of May. And also no 2024 24-hour strike. Yeah, sure. And also, more travel with the public transport, you can consider that and have a look at it and see how do her alternative arrangement, obey afa. And
sure. Of
yo,
course.
in the encore, the new statement of changes now about last week on the 14th, no.
Okay.
Now you share what they are talking about, what they are going to change, and that according to skilled worker route media, we've talked about it in terms of increment in salary threshold. So we employer who employ skilled worker, making sure say we try nika 38,700 per annum, which starts from 4th of April 2024. Into no, and I also know your skilled worker now health and care near they are also be making sure say from 4th of April no employer emetria will say sikano into give and take, but all the same no, we are monitoring if any issues now, employment issues now, it will come back to, then we deal with it. Yo, another statement of changes via or more a day about in terms of say skilled worker no obenya nisika kosro increment with the threshold there is another one omodekoma migration advisory committee, which is occupational shortage occupation list say almost say almost changing no mumfa friend immigration salary list. No, so yeah, things are more looking into it. Into if changes be bad, no, abema more aya aware. And also seasonal workers, changes to the seasonal worker route. Say the national minimum wage and the national living wage are increasing from April 2024. So it is necessary to amend the minimum rate of hourly pay for seasonal workers to reflect these changes. Indeed, we are employer who employ will be for seasonal workers now, especially occasionally, maybe a summer, Christmas, and then I say for now, making sure say ube trianica to reflect on them national minimum wage and national minimum salary, which is coming to effect on April. Into all these things, we employer, you need to be a bit vigilant and make sure say you won't be a victim of not underpaying a staff or underpaying your worker, which if you don't take care, it will end up in court, employment tribunal, or the owner who employer will be which is the employer you find yourself say answer questions to the court. Yo, another one me pese ye share Bakubia omode ba and they saying say they want us to they are going to redefine what is called a parent because OSHA omo guidance no social omo immigration rules now specifically talks about parent consisting of a step parent. But this time, changes on Monday, but almost say on the 6th of June 2024, they are going to redefine what is parent. What is parent? Or see, changes are being made to the definition of parent to update the language used and recognize same-sex parents as already happens in practice. The new definition makes reference to biological parents, legal parents, and adoptive parents. Reference to step parents formerly recognized as parents only where the biological parent of the same sex had died has been removed. As being a step parent does not automatically mean the person has parental responsibility for a child. Nti changes here omode ba me saying say omo define what is a parent. Why any parent no? First now parents of so many in terms of biological parent, step parent, legal guardian, adoptive or legal parent, adoptive parent, But and a big but changes on day bano or may be a friend of step parent and free. It is a step parent and free man. We be say na lawyer yeah far. You use to the old law now you use to step parent and basa saying na you stand the ACTA you jab biano ACTA. Sir you came rano sir emra wo ho anaasɛ ɔmo yɛ changes wɔ mmara no mu a na mo a mowɔ mu dada no ɛyɛ a na affect mo. Ɛno na mepɛ sɛ yɛhyɛ ne nso no affect mo because mo wɔ mu dada ansa na mmara no ɛreba. Nti on that case no yɛbɛ use all the mmara no they are continuing with more application no. I guess it's clear now. Yeah. I think so. Inti about that thing no. Inti say who say we application based on a step parent. It's better you do it now before the 6th of June 2024 now. When these are changes yeah. Because there are so many things or more but they are doing it stages by stages. Inti sir who applications be who nyoma be now one in term na changes obviously is going to have an impact and effect on your immigration status with the ebetna chrome hanamo. But they are make can say the rate at which especially immigration based changes immigration rules changes it's best you seek a legal advice before say ubeye BB because day in day out especially immigration based changes in costs and this is an area of law one you're very careful you will go and use an old law. And how could you use old law now? It's rather unfortunate. Home office your family. First, we seek a machine. Second, Uber waste still time. Because almost hardly a couple of changes on long residence. And then I say for even English language, the changes about. Because I say English language has been updated to reflect changes to this English language.
I think say your topic for today.
But what's the changes we are fair but me changes now you do topic now Yeah, they are coming.
Okay.
Why?
All right.
Because I say appendix English language has been updated to reflect that international GCSEs are accepted as evidence of English language.
Hey, all right.
So for the ability and to extend the appendix to
Ghana. Ghana. What does it mean in Ghanaian terms?
Okay.
In Ghana terms, lawyer, what do you about the chichirimu? In Ghana terms, no chichirimu. That means ubikuta. What? Yeah.
In Ghana terms, what they are trying to say is sir, we are GCSE. Ghana. Ghana, Quebec said the old style of education. Any A-level money na say for no. Say yes, SHS ne also ne JHS ne also. Inti say 34 no move no. We are GCSE no. Any A-levels no. We are no English language say modi changes to appendix English language neighbor no. Or move to me in case or more a year application to UK Abai Home Officer. Applications need be saying appendix settlement family life, appendix HM armed forces, appendix long residence and appendix temporary work international agreement now. Such an application also a here English language Ube to me at the GCSE and I say A-level naka home instead of say Oba cultural English language
Okay.
That's in Ghana terms.
Okay. I think say papa.
Yes. Right. What we can say is I can't dear back one. I hope say Home Office ebe sister Omadre afam. But that is part of the topic a bit treating. Eduwa make us idea no. Because we've seen so many a crow beer a day or more aka English speaking language we know you kind of saying majority English speaking countries but thinking say we were colonized by the British.
Yes.
Until why don't they add us to it? Because when you look at data, Barbados, Dominica, Jamaica, St. Lucia,
yeah.
Why? Also know they were colonized by the British. Until no difference bearing the womb.
Sure.
So
why us?
Yeah.
Why
yes. Anyway, let's stick to additional no. Unless you be your questions and now questions be I'll break here and send a media to us.
A net topic because your time.
Time,
it's going to. I think the update for today is okay. Now, say a tip for your topic for today. Our topic for today, or say a guide to UK visa English language requirement. A guide to UK visa English language requirement. Idea in him say English language and also some of the requirements here compare visa NT and then a percent lawyer especially sa update ya abay and lawyer where the main platform na watch mu so what is a UK visa English language requirement for free still no is it a standard requirement for every application? Is English language a requirement for every visa application? Lawyer.
DJ KB. It's a good question, sir. Is it a standard? In some applications, yes. In some applications, no. because as we go along now, you better share the sort of application in here English language, and then some applications do in here, because according to Home Office, it gets to a stage. Gone are the days, now you don't need English language to come to UK, but it gets to a stage they realize the standard or tradition of the British, conform, all because people don't learn their language. Also, beba your chrome hanuma and was ushia or mokasano. Likewise, say Bruni person caught na Ghana. No, but Ghana government in country say one year a can and a tree and I say, but British for say, Ufri obi kro ba. As long as when your majority speaking language in the countries, no one, I will say we or more English language. In many UK visa applications require an applicant to demonstrate their proficiency in the English language. Where an immigration application has an English language requirement, failure to demonstrate that the requirement has been met will ordinarily result in a refusal. Indeed, that tells you most of the applications, not English language, mandatory. The come mandatory here, so one visa na open. The level of English necessary to meet the UK visa English language requirement varies between different types of application. Intuition types of visa applications, or more expect to say, I was say unya level of English be and sana ya the visa normal. If you are required to meet an English language requirement for a UK visa application, you ought to consider what is the required level of English proficiency that I need to demonstrate. In the first skilled worker, upe visa no skilled worker visa na. Almost free overseas was we English language at level B1.
Okay.
So in the such a visa no so when try English language at level B1 unya visa no unless exemption you meet the requirement of the exemption. As time goes on, I'll talk about the exemptions.
Exemption, okay.
Inti una visa no, I was say we check the sort of English language requirement here for that visa no by demonstrating. No, how can I prove that I meet the English language requirement?
Yes, sir.
Inti, the next question is does my visa application falls under appendix English language? That tells you, in conform bank and answer applications and answer visa bank application now we are English language.
Okay.
Ebi saying student visa we hear English language.
Okay, student visa.
Yes, we hear English language because that obviously no na would they ever be course as a student. That's the reason why we hear English language. Okay. The other one also say skilled worker may come once no skilled worker visa no. And also we hear English language. And also level B1.
Okay.
We will talk about level B1, what entails in level B1. Can I say me mpe mu sesi a ne hu mo?
And you come to see because lawyer time no.
Yo.
You know, so you're quite intimate my back to it. Your favorite house is here.
When you look at level B1, it talks about reading, writing, speaking, and listening.
Okay.
Reading, writing, speaking, and listening.
Okay.
We have reading and writing, which is level A1.
Okay. Reading and writing.
Yes.
Without speaking.
Oh, sorry. It's reading and speaking.
Reading and speaking.
Oh, that means speaking and listening. Sorry, speaking and listening.
Speaking and listening. Okay.
Yeah,
writing,
without
reading.
writing, without reading. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So that's basic expression of yourself using it. In terms of entry clearance application, just said the minimum is level A1.
Oh, okay.
How you can use English to communicate.
To communicate. Okay.
Yeah, which is the basic one, being speaking and listening.
Speaking and listening. Okay.
Yeah. So let's go to the sort of applications are here English language. Maka student base, Maka skilled workers.
Skilled workers.
Yeah. The next one, a representative of an overseas business, especially the media representative, show representative, business aspect, you know, and a tier 2 minister of religion. Tier 2 minister of religion. And an international sports person visa application, they need one. And our UK ancestry, so settlement, you need an English language and life in UK. And a start up, and also you need an English language. Innovator visa, you need an English language. And a global talent, so settlement, you need an English language. And a domestic workers in a private household, settlement, you need English language, level B1.
Okay.
And a high potential individual visa, so you need English language.
Wow.
And about so settlement family life after a qualifying period of 10 years. After a qualifying period of 10 years, you need English language and life in UK.
Wow.
Into the 10 years in this one, 2.5. One year English na like 1 year English, you know. But so per settlement in Kwandia, I was say 1 year English, you know. So 1 year, almost enough to 2.5.
Wow.
And I change this crown so as a long resident, you know. So one qualify for indefinite now. We see Kabeshi. First, now I'm refunded by taking administrative charge. Into confessing indefinite now, making sure say you do qualify for. Otherwise, we see Kano Ebeshi. Yo, another application now we hear English language near private life, so settlement only. No, we hear English language at level B1. Scaled up and also English language. And appendix child staying with or joining a non-parent relative. And over here English language. And appendix bereaved partner. And also over here appendix victim of domestic abuse. Into these are applications over here English language or they be part of your requirement, you know.
Lawyer, my misa question we are about so what applications don't need English language?
Yo, there are so many applications, you know, especially Home Office or more guidance, you know, what it talks about. Some applications be or her. Once me bubo applications now mabubo so no.
Yeah.
Those are involved, no, but obi or her would name into once a mambo you need be a womb.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, one can.
yeah, into that tells you say EU for no, they don't need to do the English language.
Wow.
Unless or after when you're indefinite, you know, or naturalize it as a British citizen. I was say where your life in UK in English language.
All right. So lawyer metiwase and say EU ni okoje indefinite. They don't require English language.
Yes, that's correct.
Just say okope or like naturalization a ho and obey here English language.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Good.
Yo, that's it.
And a visitor's visa who hear English language. So
yeah. I think so, yeah.
Visitor's visa, you don't need English language.
Okay.
Obi Busasa do naturalization need English. Obviously, I don't know how to say Ajara Seidu.
Yeah.
Naturalization, yes. We hear English language at level B1 or B2.
Right. I say obey British dear. That is one of the qualities of being British. That is the language.
Yes.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo. And I hope said that question at all. And to say who the applications that require English language and those that don't. And and I'll say what type of English? B1 or B2?
And American, either B1
or B2. Either way.
Yeah. Because now at the level of here speaking, listening, writing, and reading. Until obviously you need them.
So lawyer, that's a minimum near B1. For naturalization.
Minimum crown A1.
Hey, Samum.
Yes, A1 no I may say listening and speaking.
Oh, okay.
Basic one.
Okay. So we don't have A2 from A1.
Yeah, A2. So we are A1 now. Now my make sure we are A1.
Lawyer for your starting, yeah.
We are A1 now. Basically, yeah, funny sir. We are British in West Yobi or Ghana or Dofo Kofanaba.
Yeah.
Into Kofanaba, no. On the level of education or form. One man, wako British Council, I call you A1. Or the Aba after 2.5, no. Or the bar or the application now, based on that, you have money 2.5.
Okay.
Into your renewal, I was say we A2.
A2, okay.
Now another 2.5. Tiehoni you. 2.5. First 2.5 on the A1 a year. Second 2.5 no on the A2 na year. Inti ocha 5 years in Vienna or call for indefinite. Obey B1.
Right. That's I say more brochuring kratasem. A1, A2.
Yeah, indeed, that's the reason why I say you need to ask or let a lawyer guide you. Because one way, thank God said, you way in about pensem more in terms of every level Biana, I was say, will present you, you kind of saying, English language. Bear in mind, me see you for come unless you need no person naturalize it as a British citizen. But and obey English language at level B1 or B2 or and life in UK.
Okay.
Unless we are exempt, which is either 65 above, below 18, or have a disability which needs to be assessed by a consultant.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
There is technicalities in all these things.
Mm-hmm.
There is. So after you the sort of applications are in here English language, and at the end here no, the next stage is do I come from a majority English speaking countries?
Mm-hmm.
Home Office ama exemption be to some countries where you don't need to meet the English language requirement.
Okay.
Mame mbubo so ona na meka okay say update ni me beka say adena Ghana ye de omuma exemption ni bi.
Yes, sir. And I think sir, I will ask it again. Ghana, I mean, yes, school English language, and I did bibia. You know, yes, Ghana, you know, so why no more a year free? In our parliament, our politics is English language, any idea? So why are they, you know, a year free? Because I think say yes, see, to be honest. So Jamaica for no, you know, that exemption. Why not Ghana? English language, and English is our official language in Ghana. So lawyer, why is this the case? And now I say, is this something we have to demonstrate or fight against, or what can we do? Why and what can we do, lawyer?
What can we do? Yeah, I leave that one to Impenifono Morani Ukrono.
Okay,
because politicians, no, when it comes out, this is a political leveler. I don't involve myself, but I'm a lawyer. But there was a meka.
Okay.
As a lawyer, no.
Yo.
Because Ushema, they all can through pa and chen say Omube colonizing ye.
Yes.
And Omuma independence 57, 6 March.
Yes.
Tinti Muma di mumra so go through mo the education brain, mo the religion brain. Debe na man farm brain. Mo tete yen ti se mumma ne yen. Inti ade intina chinchina na English no mo si yen kotro abra mo the English ni brain yen.
Yes.
And I make us say me toma yen penny for no.
Samuel, I think say Ghana penny for Ghana High Commission need the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Munida no ese mutimi, you know, some seeing kitten be on ma. Any kwa ese mutimi sorry na musumu kasamayen. You know, na Ghana nationals no. Sometimes we be na yakem. Because make I say some time ago, even some of the airlines now they were giving Ghanaian travelers less, baggage than other countries. So, but some people, started making the noise. But until, we don't have to, you don't have to wait for citizens to make the noise. Politicians, that's the reason you are there, to speak for the people. And I think, sir, it's something the Ministry of Foreign Affairs should look into. Why Ghana? Why are we not among the, English-speaking countries? Majority speaking English-speaking countries are, on between my exemption. Because I don't know.
Yeah, the list of them.
You, Minas.
Yeah, well, Antigua and Barbuda, Australia, the Bahamas, Barbados, Belize, the British Overseas Territories, Canada, Dominican, Grenada, Guyana, Jamaica, Malta, New Zealand, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago, and USA.
Wow.
So these countries are part of the majority English-speaking countries.
Wow.
Omono, they don't need to meet the English language requirement.
Right, lawyer, answer na me dem question, but I mean, kind will be question. Was say so, lawyer, if you want to apply for UK visa and you can't read and write, then automatically you are out, right?
Yes, that is true, unless you are exempt. And the exemptions are either you are 18,
Okay.
above 65, or you have a disability.
So is it whether you are below 18,
Yes,
okay, or above 65,
above 65,
or disabled?
yes.
And I think there is one. If you are applying for visitors visa.
Visitors visa, you don't need to write English language.
Uh-huh.
You don't need to.
Yeah. I think no so count. And the mommy free and a lawyer actually but one you say if it is visitors visa, yeah, you don't need the English language.
English language.
And it doesn't matter whether you can.
And now we are EU, so you don't need English language. EUSS family permit, no.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. For Breno de Yaswan, or question be a fa and crata, some be any question about legal issues, you can type it in the comment section. Senya will be a binoma type of then, or you can call the number on your screen. That is 0208 133 5876. That is 0208 133 5876. Now will be a question. Lawyer ha obey normal. I'm sorry for you Chrome Ghana. I think say internet issue be a pure honum.
Yes.
I know some you are struggling to. I mean, I'm more connection, you know, so but as much as you can, at least it will be a Timia type from there. So I hope say they are on top. I mean, they are fixing the problem. Right, lawyer, now I'm saying we have just about 12 minutes to go. And try to see me area.
In the answer, a scenario, sir, who use degree to meet the English language.
Okay.
In the degree, no, and a macacho say changes kakrabem according to almost statement of changes our release here. That was on the I think it's 14th. Embassy call it's HC 590. Present it to the court. Mama yenya NTICS more changes about the English language, you know. Because first nanka was more English language, you know. Yes, either we cultural overseas or cultural English language with the British Council what overseas, you know. And now, sir, uko school ubetimi use English language, you know. But thank God of the changes are omode banese say dear or GCSE we are overseas crana ubetimi use as part of the English language requirement. And the next one is what about degree? How do among trade sir overseas degree? Because your overseas degree and your UK degree.
Yes.
So with a UK degree now, you don't have issues. You can use it as part of the English language requirements and our masters.
Okay.
But and a big but. Oh yeah.
We could tell UK degree no so but for home. Lawyer.
And American. So we a degree. That means we a UK degree. That's fine.
Okay. All right.
But we a degree. Yeah, awarded outside UK.
Non-UK degree. Okay.
Non-UK degree. Thank you.
Let's say.
I say no. Say no. We applicant. You need to provide a visa and nationality statement from ITIS, ECCTIS, setting out how their qualification meets the requirement. Into over university degree, over university transcript.
Okay.
Now I apply to ITIS, no ECCTIS. Uko mu website ube upload it. No what you have fee kakra. No more access say it meets the English language requirement or not.
Wow.
Into whereby your degree no outside
the UK.
This is the procedure you have to go through.
Lawyer, my we say if some of the UK universities they have campuses outside the UK, and he say if you have that kind of degree,
yes,
you will be exempt, is it? And even though it is outside the UK, but
so although it's outside UK, as long as it has that university
UK,
letterhead also know
that
it's
is
part
accepted.
of the UK university and being accepted by the Home Office.
Okay, that's understood.
Yeah.
Right.
So the next question is, what is secure English language test? SILT. A secure English language test is an approved test which allows applicants to demonstrate that they meet the English language requirement at a specific level. In the Home Office site, echo assessing with English language, any SILT, or say which English language skills are tested. Then I'm a boy, In the other SILT, test the components are reading, writing, speaking, and listening, which is 4 components. In the SILT, overseas, ebiwo UK ha. In the citizenship applications, international sports person application, parent or partner router, and as a representative of an overseas business, indefinite leave to remain, you can contact them to do that speaking, listening, reading, and writing. They are, and meanwhile, the SILT, we are my what's American health and care workers, under the skilled worker.
Yeah.
High potential individual, innovator, founder, minister of religion, skilled up worker, startup, and student. Until you need to do it at an approved center by the Home Office. Approved test centers by the Home Office.
Wow. So
let me go through with you.
Okay.
Yeah, most of them don't. So if you are in UK, say fans with a parent or partner roots, and I say indefinite. Baby, I will be now Self Consortium, and I say Pearson. Ubenya womo ayewo exams o must what me akoteki partake usa every onomo. Language set or Trinity College London.
Yeah.
I know say you are used to Trinity College,
Yeah. I've used them before.
Yeah.
Right.
Yo, and outsider. SILT Consortium, so outside. persons for also outside. Language set and also outside every country. And a PSI Services UK Limited. Almost outside that wait me approach you or more.
Right.
For the English. Yeah.
Okay. Lawyer, but my main question you know Sana Merefi. So lawyer, if you traveled with visitors visa to the UK and later you want to change it to working visa, is it possible?
Is it possible?
Possible, aye.
The theory said, once we have visitors visa, who can the open visa?
Yes.
I don't think I will change you, won't come back to them now.
Sir, Ubadru na adrensisan aba.
And the adrensisan, can you meet the worker visa requirement?
Continue in inland application.
You can do in country application, but
yeah.
do you meet the requirements?
So
meeting the requirements now basically. So when meet here or farmer no. Because first thing, so try to switch here for worker visa. The condition on the visitor's visa no busu.
Okay, okay, say oba nsrawe.
Yes.
Na say so I don't say the whole lawyer.
Yes. I'm going by the law.
Okay.
Oh, sure, they have conditions given to you under the visitor's visa. Also, about the visa, say you have 2 months or 3 months, any amount 6 months.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, the mawa what you 3 months, 2 months, you know. The only condition is one be spend over come back. I don't know who switch it to worker visa. Because one can't draw say open worker visa. Oh,
right.
In the Uyama, such a thing, no, initially we have changed the now. First, you know, first was special what they call that means what defeated visitors visa no. And it leads to part 9 of the immigration rules being mandatory refusal.
Right. And the lawyer, in that situation, you know, what should the person do?
The best way is after what the visitors visa they buy, you know. Also be 2 months. After 2 months, you know, meanwhile 2 months in me buy, me sponsor will come as a worker visa no.
Okay.
Timinya na ma call back na ma money the COS na ma me.
Okay.
Na me dey apply this time me buy as a skilled worker.
Right.
Me buy as a visitor.
Right. And I deal at you for. Thank you very much, Mami Lizzie. I will questions no. Boy and pa for boy. Thanks for joining. Right, lawyer. We have 2 minutes, 2 more minutes.
Oh,
and they say Obama extra time back and one. Obama extra. I say.
I think that my account with GCSE DNA. The next one is sir exemption no exemption you come abroad so into exemption no either you are age 65 or over.
Okay.
And now sir you have a physical or mental condition which prevents you from meeting the requirement. Mr. Won't me go GP or not church or be musu say or disability home office NG. There be.
Oh, so I said GP, so they are professional, and
they have to refer you to a consultant.
Wow.
Yeah. Until that's the stage that you have to. And now say, we are less than 18 now. And no, you can be exempt from the English language. Normally, so I might introduce you in children's settlement via with the 7 years to Kruma Numa. You who are 7 years or call for indefinite straight. Indeed, such a thing, you don't need to write an English language as part of the application. So that tells you this is how you can meet the English language requirements depending on your age and how you're working out, and the sort of applications are wait me make it. And the sort of applications they require the English language, and the sort of application they don't require, and the sort of a country you can be exempt as majority speaking country you can be exempt from the English language.
Okay, right.
I think some
Yes. I know where are I English language. Ebusia hu hia o. And I think we should encourage your mano, especially if to pay, take the English language seriously, because inside Ghana we need it, and also outside Ghana. So in here, lawyer, where the one back chain back 2 minutes now. What about tougher? And I know, okay. Yeah, fine. Said next week. Yeah. Thank you very much, Lawyer Francis. Ebusian, for more contact information is on your screen. And if you need their services, they are in London, Unit 8, the Print House, 18 to 22 Ashton Street, London E8 3 Delta Lima. And Dalston. Into Unit 8 at Print House, 18 to 22 Ashton Street, London E8 3 Delta Lima. Office number 0208 016 5384. That is 0208 016 5384. Lawyer Francis said that was screen suite. The number is 07946 772 439. That is 07946 772 439. For more emergency number is 07931 411 042. That is 07931 411 042. You can call them from even outside the country, outside the UK. They serve people all over. Whether you are in the UK or outside the UK, they will serve you. NT Shannon Song. This DJ KB Top on the UK, I believe you are well. And their program, in fact, it's dear. Nana Jemai, question no one for mantem. Nana, Mr. Yanyano next week. Nana Jemai, Mr. Next week. Come back and ask your question now, lawyer. Be and Mr. Question, yeah, manam ran tem song, Sabia lawyer, with me a ye and no amount lawyer of free studio ha. The Mr. Shannon song. And next week, brantem na bisa question in tem. Na lawyer be and no amount. Lawyer Francis Wisemart for Mutia was say to care worker main applicant. Do now the end next week? Why? No, next week. Na lawyer be no amount. Mr. Ramo, subscribe. We will encourage you to subscribe to our pages. We have YouTube and Facebook page. Just search for Top Online Radio UK. So when you subscribe, and every time we come online, you will be notified. Also, you can download our mobile app, free mobile app, our ultimate mobile phone. So you can download the app on your mobile phone wherever you are in the world, in Ghana, in UK, everywhere. Go to the Play Store or the App Store and download. Or you can go to our website, toponlinestation.com, and download the app. It's free, so you can download it for free. So we'll take a few messages from our sponsors before we take leave of you. If you have any questions, you want to contact our studio, call the number, this number 079 029 44398. That is 079 029443998. We will take some messages from our sponsors before I take a look at you. Don't go away.
Ghana for our butcher, ya say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimo, a potokas emu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimo could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi Dronsua, a Yomokokra, a banini passitnemu, any ejumemun sembia, Omudimu Akotenipa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchinie ebidi de biye.
Do you need a professional website for your business, organization, or e-commerce store? Look no further. Compassion Web Design Limited is your number one-stop shop. We are a team of marketing, graphics, and web designers with over a decade experience in building and maintaining websites. Our products are very user-friendly, search engine optimized with multiple user permission levels, and are built with PHP and MySQL database. For more information, visit our website www.compassionweb.co.uk or call us on +44 0208 528 3077. Compassion Web Design, your professional web design partners.
Ghana for our butcher, ya say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimo, a potokas emu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimo could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi Dronsua, a Yomokokra, a banini passitnemu, any ejumemun sembia, Omudimu Akotenipa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchinie ebidi de biye.